In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step for beginners, how we can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, it's gonna be really easy and simple, so let's get started. So for people who are new to this business and you want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, so let me show you. So first, why it's showing $0 in my balance is because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, and as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, and in today's video I want to share with you my method that I use, which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so let's get into it. So first step, guys, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, then click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this website. As you can see, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to scroll down. You should see over here, join now. Okay, if you scroll down, let me show you the commission so you can see how much you will earn for each service you will promote. If you click over here on see commission, as you can see, they are paying up to $115, guys. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. Okay, that's really a lot of money. So what you will do to join Fiverr affiliate, click over here on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is really super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will scroll down. You need to answer a few questions over here, and you need to choose your country, then choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so next step now is you need to go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click over here on the search for AI history short. Okay, search for AI history short. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will find those sellers are good sellers and they will buy this service from your affiliate link. And this service is really trending now. A lot of people are searching for how to make AI history short, and this will be profitable for you if you start promoting this affiliate service on Pinterest. You will earn commission. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his page like this. And as you can see, he has 5 orders in queue, so people are still buying this service. Okay, so he is providing this service, AI history short, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do now is you need to copy this link from here, and you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Will take just a few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Click on home feed over here. Click on create pin. And you need to upload a picture about your affiliate service. So how we can do this? Go back to this seller page, and if we click over here, this is his picture. I will click on his picture. He is making his story short for Instagram, for short, and for YouTube Shorts, and for TikTok. So that's really good. Click on save image, and I'm gonna name it, for example, short. Okay, save. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay, so let me see, this is my picture over here. Open, and here you go. What you will do next, scroll down and put your affiliate link here. Okay, you can see link, put your affiliate link. So now we need title and we need description. So we will go back to this seller page and we will copy his title. So we are just an affiliate, you can use his information. Okay, I'm gonna use his title and his description and so on. Okay, I'm gonna put this title here. Let's go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part, copy, go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, you need to choose a board. Okay, click over here. If you are new, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. I already created those, so I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down and you need to put here tags. Okay, so let's go back to the seller page. We will scroll down like this and you should find his tags over here. Okay, you see related tags. This is his tags. I'm gonna copy those like this. We'll go to Pinterest and put these tags here and go back to his profile page, copy this one, use all those tags. Okay, so make sure to use those tags, paste, and I'm gonna copy the last one. So for you, you should use all those tags. Okay, after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, and this service is trending now. A lot of people are searching for how to make a history YouTube Shorts with AI. So this will be a very interesting service, but you should give it a try and start promoting this service on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, and make sure to so let me see, make sure to promote at least 5 services per day. Okay, so here you go. Your affiliate service will be published to Pinterest like this. This is your picture, your affiliate link over here, your affiliate link here, your title, description, and that's it. So you just need to try. It's for free. You don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. I hope this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.